Welcome to PMP Exam Express, your shortcut to PMP success. In this video, we'll test your knowledge with 20 powerful questions on team leadership and team management, including questions with 2 or 3 correct answers. Ready to think like a project leader? Let's jump in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay sharp with PMP Exam Express. Question 1. Select one answer. You are leading a newly formed team and notice members are unsure of their responsibilities. What should you do first? A. Escalate to the project sponsor. B. Assign responsibilities based on your judgment. C. Facilitate a team session to define roles and expectations. D. Remove members who seem confused. Answer: C. Explanation. Collaboration and shared understanding during team formation are essential. Question 2. Select one answer. What leadership approach is most effective in agile environments? A. Directive. B. Laissez-faire. C. Servant leadership. D. Transactional. Answer: C. Explanation. Agile promotes servant leadership to support team empowerment. Question 3. Select two answers. Which two practices help create psychological safety within a project team? A. Criticizing ideas openly during meetings. B. Encouraging respectful feedback. C. Promoting blame-free learning from mistakes. D. Publicly ranking team performance weekly. Answers: B. C. Explanation. Open feedback and learning without fear support psychological safety. Question 4. Select one answer. A team member frequently interrupts others during discussions. How should you respond? A. Publicly reprimand the team member. B. Speak to them privately to address the behavior. C. Ignore it to maintain the meeting flow. D. Remove them from the next meeting. Answer: B. Explanation. Conflict should be addressed privately and constructively. Question 5. Select 3 answers. Which of the following are effective conflict resolution techniques in project teams? A. Forcing. B. Collaboration. C. Compromise. D. Withdrawal. E. Smoothing. Answers: B, C, E. Explanation. Collaboration, compromise, and smoothing resolve conflicts constructively. Question 6. Select one answer. After missing a milestone, your team seems demotivated. What should you do? A. Demand extra hours from the team. B. Celebrate recent progress and refocus goals. C. Replace underperformers. D. Ignore the situation. Answer: B. Explanation. Recognition of effort can boost morale and restore motivation. Question 7. Select 2 answers. Which 2 characteristics are core to a high-performing agile team? A. Top-down command. B. Cross-functionality. C. Self-management. D. Fixed roles and hierarchy. Answers: B, C. Explanation. Agile teams are cross-functional and self-organizing. Question 8. Select one answer. Your team lacks stakeholder engagement skills. How can you as a leader support them? A. Remove stakeholder responsibilities from their tasks. B. Provide coaching and model stakeholder engagement. C. Handle all stakeholder communication yourself. D. Delay communication until later phases. Answer: B. Explanation. Coaching and modeling are effective leadership tools. Question 9. Select one answer. Which motivational theory identifies motivators and hygiene factors? A. Maslow's hierarchy. B. McGregor's theory, X and Y. C. Herzberg's two-factor theory. D. Vroom's expectancy theory. Answer C. Explanation. Herzberg's theory separates satisfaction, motivators, and dissatisfaction, hygiene. Question 10. Select three answers. What are key traits of high-performing teams? A. Micromanagement. B. Shared goals. C. Clear communication. D. Competitive behavior. E. Mutual accountability. Answers: B, C, E. Explanation: high-performing teams thrive on trust, clarity, and accountability. Question 11. Select one answer. You are leading a team in the forming stage. What should be your leadership focus? A. Enforce deadlines strictly. B. Develop trust and clarify goals. C. Allow the team to self-organize completely. D. Delegate everything immediately. Answer: B. Explanation. Early stages require relationship building and clarity. Reference: Tuckman's model of team development. Question 12. Select one answer. A team member keeps missing stand-ups. What's the best servant leader approach? A. Ignore the issue. B. Discuss the issue privately and offer help. C. Report the behavior to HR. D. Replace the team member. Answer: B. Explanation. Addressing issues with empathy supports team health. Question 13. Select one answer. The sponsor pushes for early delivery, but the team is exhausted. What should you do? A. Push the team harder. B. Reduce team breaks. C. Reevaluate the schedule and scope with the sponsor. D. Ignore the sponsor. Answer: C. Explanation. Leaders balance delivery with team sustainability. Question 14. Select three answers. Which actions promote continuous improvement in Agile teams? A. Regular retrospectives. B. Punishing mistakes. C. Feedback loops. D. Celebrating learning. E. Encouraging experimentation. Answers: A, C, E. Explanation. Agile values learning, feedback, and continuous adaptation. Question 15. Select one answer. Which is the best way to handle a minor misunderstanding between two team members? A. Allow it to escalate. B. Send them both an official warning. C. Encourage them to talk directly and resolve it. D. Document and delay any action. Answer: C. Explanation. Direct communication fosters healthy conflict resolution. Question 16. Select one answer. One team member dominates all discussions. What is your best approach as a facilitator? A. Ask them not to speak. B. Use facilitation to create space for all voices. C. Exclude them from future meetings. D. Let the team handle it. Answer B. Explanation. Effective facilitation ensures balanced participation. Question 17. Select 2 answers. What are 2 benefits of promoting emotional intelligence in your team? A. Reduced documentation. B. Better collaboration. C. Improved morale. D. Elimination of conflict. Answers B, C. Explanation. Emotional intelligence boosts communication and team harmony. Question 18. Select 1 answer. Your team is in the performing stage. What leadership behavior is most appropriate? A. Micromanage to ensure control. B. Step back and allow autonomy. C. Introduce new processes. D. Rotate team members. Answer B. Explanation. In this stage, the team is productive and self-directed. Reference: Tuckman's Team Development Model. Question 19. Select 3 answers. Which of the following foster a collaborative team culture? A. Publicly ranking team members. B. Sharing team goals. C. Open and honest communication. D. Competing for individual rewards. E. Recognizing contributions. Answers B, C, E. Explanation. Collaboration is strengthened through shared purpose and trust. Question 20. Select 1 answer. What is the most likely outcome of ignoring unresolved team conflict? A. Faster decision-making. B. Increased morale. C. Reduced productivity and possible resignations. D. Higher sponsor satisfaction. Answer C. Explanation. Unresolved conflict undermines performance and trust. Well done. You've just tackled 20 powerful PMP questions on team leadership and team management. A big win on your road to certification. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a drop from PMP Exam Express, your shortcut to PMP success. See you in the next one.